No, I'm good. I guess I'll just pay off the student loan debt.
Yeah, send me a picture or something, man, or tag me when you pay it off, man. Because I'm having the same dilemma as you. Honestly, I have the money set aside to pay the student loan debt. I owe more than you. I owe like around $21,000. I have the money set aside, and I'm like, do I wait until September until they, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they do something, or maybe they don't do something, or they just pay it off right now. And I'm in the same boat as you are, and I'm just gonna pay it off and just call it a day.
Yeah,
Like,
because the interest rates comes back in September 10th,
yeah,
I believe.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I'm gonna pay it off by September 3rd. That's my goal. Pay it off by September 3rd.
Exactly. That's the thing to kind of like weigh out, are they gonna like extend it? Are they not gonna extend it? The good thing is that you have the cash now to pay it off. You know, if you didn't have the cash, I would highly recommend pay, because it's better that you pay while there's no interest than you pay when there is interest. This is stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So you're in a good position. That's the good thing. Just don't spend the money. Have that money separate in a separate account, like in the wealth front account that is completely separate. So that way you don't get like, I need a vacation, I work too hard, and then money's gone. You know what I'm saying? Well, you're very frugal, so I don't think that's gonna happen. But just make sure you don't spend the money on anything stupid. You've got to stop.